Hi friends, it's Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org. Today I'm doing an unboxing from a sticker club called HumorUs Co. So let's look inside and see what stickers we've got. Every month you get 4 vinyl stickers, sealed well. There we go. So let's open it up and see what we've got here. Very fun. We have, this is a card that explains about it. Great peace have they that love thy law, and nothing shall offend them. And then on this side, it explains some things about the HumorUs Sticker Club subscription. Then here we've got, walk tall, be unique, and fulfill your purpose in bold color. Faith like flamingos. Oh, so this is actually a book. So that is a book that you can get. So now we're going to look at the fun stickers. All right, squeeze the day. These are all hand drawn by the artist, who is a teen. So very fun to support young entrepreneurs. Yes to can. Here's one that says, that's amusing. Lots of puns here. Great piece. These are really nice, thick vinyl stickers that you could put on water bottles or computers. You're flamazing. And this one says, we make a great pair. Here's one about the company, HumorUs, tickling your punny bone with good, clean humor. And it's at HumorUs.co. And then one more, which is also talking about this book, Faith Like Flamingos. So that is our fun sticker club collection. I think every month you get 4 stickers. So check those out. And I will also link to her Instagram page.